Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have a new video. In case you are wondering what is on my eyes, I'm doing a look for Diwali, so it will be up on my Instagram. Anyways, today I have a video. I have done my foundation already. I wanted to test out the new Benefit concealer. It's been so long I have purchased it, but I didn't still use it because I wanted to do a review on this concealer because it is a really good concealer. I have heard that, and it is full coverage. So yeah, I want to just try out this concealer. I don't know if I'll be doing a wear test because I don't think I would wear this for more than 4 to 5 hours. So currently it's like around 1 p.m, so maybe I'll do a wear test for about 5 to 6 hours, and we'll see whether it gets cakey or not, because I love the sharp tape. I love the tart shape tape. I love the Too Faced concealer. So yeah, let's see. So yeah guys, before starting the video, please subscribe to my YouTube channel and hit the notification bell so you can be notified whenever I upload a video. And yeah guys, it's free, so you can subscribe. You don't have to pay any money for that. It would be really great, really great if you could support me, and if you could also follow me on Instagram because I need your support there also. So the link is there in the description below for my Instagram, so if you want you can check it out, because I do a lot of different contents there and I do a lot of mini tutorials there. So if you are interested to see, you can just go and follow me. It would be really great. So yeah guys, let's just dive in. I don't want to make this a very long video. I just want to use the concealer, tell you about it, and that's all, and just do a wear test for about 5 to 6 hours, and that would be actually all. I don't want to do anything else on camera. So first of all, it comes in 12 shades. Even in Middle East, it come in Sephora Middle East, it is available in 12 shades. It comes in two sizes. It comes in the original size, which is 5 ml, and it also comes in a mini size, which is 3 ml. The full size concealer in US is for $22, and the mini one is for $13. And in Middle East, the full size one is for 115 AD, and the mini one is for 68 AD. But I can see online the mini one is only available in 3 shades, so it is better if you get the full size. But let's see how it turns out. So let's see what all it claims. So it is full coverage liquid concealer, hides dark circles, under eye circles and blemishes. Let's see. Doesn't cake or crack, because if you can see properly, it is written no caking. So let's see. It is 24-hour long wear. It is also waterproof. So it says that 97% said it looks smooth, 94% said it doesn't look cakey, and 95% said it conceals dark under circles. So that is a really big claim for a concealer. So I'll put here the shade range of the concealer. It is only available in 12 shades, and I got the shade number 2. I didn't even open and see what the color is, so I don't know if there will be any surprise for the color. I am really not sure. So this is the packaging. It is written Cakeless concealer, no caking, and I got the shade number 2. The packaging is actually very good. The packaging reminds you of a pencil eraser. Benefit Boi-ing Cakeless concealer. So you see they have, I think, a lot of Boi-ing concealers in similar type of packaging. Sometimes they have the tin one. This time they came out with this one, and it has an eraser. So the eraser, it will erase your dark circles. You know what, they were going with the theme. So yeah, it is actually so good. The packaging is so good, and it comes with a huge applicator. It is not as big as the tart shape tape, but it is kind of big, and I don't know, but I think my tip is gonna break. I think so, I'm not sure. So I'll just use the concealer in my regular areas under my eyes and just a little bit on my nose to highlight, and my chin area, just a little bit below my cheekbone, just a little bit. So I'm just going to do this much, 4 dots. So that's all that I'm gonna do, and I think the color is pretty good, not too light as such. I thought it would be really light, but you can see it is not actually light. I mean, it is full coverage, but you can just a pimple came in the morning to say hi to me, so it's still there. I don't know till how many days it's gonna be there, and I have concealer all over my fingers. So you can see, you can just see a little bit of that, but I'm okay actually with that. Actually the coverage is pretty good. Carefully do my under eyes because I don't want to because I don't want to spoil my eye look. I'll use a small brush, otherwise I'm surely going to spoil my eye makeup. I didn't use any color corrector because I just wanted to test out the concealer on its own, but looking at my under eyes, I think I need a color corrector because my dark circles are that deep. So yeah, next time if I use it, I'm surely going to use a color corrector. I think this is for me it is not that full coverage, but I think if you don't have such deep dark circles or under eye darkness, I think this would be really good. But I don't know, it is kind just a bit I'm just feeling a little dry, that's all. But let's see, after it settles maybe it won't look that dry. So far it's looking really nice, but I would prefer to use it above a color corrector. So I'm just going to set my eyes because I have to set my eyes. I am not that kind of person who doesn't set your under eyes and it doesn't get crease. It will crease, it is already starting to crease. So I'm just going to put loose powder under my eyes. Actually after setting my under eyes, it is looking actually very nice. So if you can see, it is looking really nice, but I think just a little my wrinkles are more obvious, but let's see how it is gonna turn out. A lot of people really liked it, so even I thought of trying, but let's see. Now quickly I'll do rest of my face and I'll be right back. So I'll take around half an hour more or 1 hour more to do my makeup, so maybe half an hour. So I'll meet you in some time and then we'll see how it goes. So guys, I did the rest of my face. This is the makeup look that it turned out, and the concealer is pretty damn good actually. It is not looking cakey at all till now, but it's been around like 1 hour. So yeah, maybe around mm, max to max 7 p.m. I'll do my last update, and I'll do my last check-in and last and final check-in, and I'll give you my final thoughts. I'll keep this makeup on because I want to see how the concealer is gonna turn out. So yeah, let's see. Actually it is looking very good. The color is also so good, and now that I think I don't need a color corrector, but yeah, this makeup look might be already up on my Instagram. It is for Diwali, so if you are interested you can watch it. And yeah guys, I'll meet you soon in few hours, and yeah, I'll go now. Bye. Hi guys, it's around 7 p.m, almost 7 p.m. So it's been like almost 4 hours, 4.5 hours, and yeah, my actually concealer has been caked up on my forehead and a little bit on my chin area and little bit here, but under my eyes it is actually looking really good. So maybe it it must be only for your under eyes as such, and it's looking actually pretty good. So I actually liked it. uh, it is not making my under eye wrinkles bad or worse, and it's looking pretty good actually, but I'm not liking the center area, the face area. The under eye area is pretty good, and honestly it is good. It is good. I actually did my makeup around 1:30 or 2, and it's actually looking the same way. Ignore my face, not my foundation. My foundation is looking really good, but this part where I applied my foundation, this area where I applied my concealer, the chin area and my forehead area, they are a bit cakey. This area is too cakey. I don't know whether you can see on camera. I don't know if you can see, but here in mirror I can see it is really bunched up and it is looking very cakey. So I am not liking that. Even on my nose it's not actually cakey, but here it's very cakey. I mean very cakey, but my eyes are looking pretty damn good. I think I'll only use it for my under eyes and not the face. Wherever I want to highlight, I'm not going to use the concealer, but under my eyes it's actually really good, so I would recommend it. But if you don't buy it, it won't make any difference to you. Tarte Shape Tape, the Too Faced Sculpting Multi-Use Concealer, both are damn good. So if you have those two, or if you have even one of them, I don't think you actually need it. But if you want to try out, get the mini size, which is for $13, or if you're staying in Middle East, it is for around 63 to 65 AD, depending on where are you staying. So yeah, but I think Tarte Shape Tape is not this dry, so I actually love Tarte Shape Tape. I'm just okay with it. I'm not that in love with the concealer. I'm in love with Tarte Shape Tape even more than the Too Faced one. Too Faced one is also a bit dry for me, but Tarte Shape Tape actually, even if I don't use a color corrector, it doesn't look bad. It actually covers my dark circles, but this is not doing that much. I have to use a color corrector because I can still see this deep bags. So yeah, if you don't have any dark circles, if you just need a little coverage, I think it's okay, but it is not mandatory to buy this concealer. And yeah, there are much better concealers in market. Even drugstore has good concealers. Maybelline Instant Rewind Concealer, the L'Oreal Infallible More Than Concealer, the new one, they are pretty damn good. So you will get that in, I think, less than half in price. So you can go for the drugstore version, or if you want a high-end one, I would recommend the Tarte Shape Tape. So yeah guys, this was all for today's video. I know I made it really short because I didn't want to, just go on doing videos for 20-30 minutes. So yeah guys, if you like my video, please give a thumbs up. So yeah guys, I'll meet you in my next video. Until next time, bye.